Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Bacon Girl avatar in Roblox. First, open the avatar editor on Roblox. You will find this in the navigation menu. Next, go to the head and body section. Here, select the woman head to get the iconic shape. Then, pick a light skin tone, usually the second or third option, to match the traditional style. This sets the foundation for your avatar. Now let's add the hair and face. For the hair, search for and equip the brown charmer hair. This is a free item and is essential for the Bacon Girl look. It's a short, brown style that defines the avatar. Then, select the smile face. This simple, friendly expression is perfect for the classic aesthetic. Make sure you have no other face accessories on. Moving on to the body, select the woman torso from the available options. This provides the correct body shape. Next, choose both the woman left arm and the woman right arm to complete the upper body. Finally, equip the woman left leg and the woman right leg. All these body parts are standard and free, ensuring an authentic Bacon Girl appearance without any cost. To finish your Bacon Girl avatar, apply the Robloxian 2.0 shirt. This free item features the distinctive striped pattern. Then, equip the matching Robloxian 2.0 pants. These default clothes are crucial for achieving the full, classic Bacon Girl look. Once everything is set, save your new avatar. You now have a perfect Bacon Girl avatar, ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.